Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Frequently iPhone user getting a problem with Wi-Fi signal mean Wi-Fi losing signals. Let's see how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, restart Wi-Fi router. Simply unplug your Wi-Fi router from the power source, wait for a couple of minutes, then plug in back. The second thing that we have to do, disable VPN. Simply go to settings, tap on general, tap on VPN, virtual private network, and make sure that VPN is disconnected. Number 3. Forget Wi-Fi network and force restart your iPhone. First we have to go to settings, then tap on Wi-Fi and tap on I symbol in front of your connected Wi-Fi, then tap on forget this network. After forget this network, we have to force close the setting app and also force restart the iPhone. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And after the force restart, go to settings, tap on your Wi-Fi and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Number 4. Enable airplane mode and disable it. Simply go to settings, now enable airplane mode, force close the setting app, lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone, go back to setting and disable airplane mode. Finally, we go for solution number 5, reset network settings. Reset network settings on iPhone, we have to go to settings, then tap on general and tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. If you have a better suggestion, write down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.